G'day, g'day. And how you going? I say g'day, g'day, g'day. My name is Leeper Hope, and I am living in love and not in fear. I am living and travelling full time in my van heaven, looking for low budget and free campsites. My goal is to go into sacred Australian country, to receive and activate the codes, to raise the vibration of the world and free humanity. So g'day, today I'm at Rifle Creek Rest Stop, which is about an hour north of Mareeba and half an hour south of Mossman. And there's my camping spot over there, out of the way. And it's a really big area. So let's have a look around. So there's the sign. So it's 48 hours. So it's right on the highway here, but it's not a very full-on highway. However, it's right at a one-way bridge. So, the trucks that come along are braking along here and then taking off again because you've got to give way over that one-way bridge, one-lane bridge. And it's been raining. So it's always beautiful to have the rain. But this sign here, so it's part of the Mareeba Shire Council. And while I was in Mareeba, I stayed anywhere I wanted for like 2 weeks, a whole fortnight. I just camped around Mareeba wherever. Occasionally stayed at camping spots, but anyway, it says here that once you come onto the grounds and you stay the night that you're camping, you can only stay the 48 hours, and then you must leave Rifle Creek Rest Stop, and then you're not allowed to return until 3 months. So I've been here longer than 48, you know what I'm like. When I get a good deal, I'm not going to move on. But I've talked to people here, and one fella said that the council talked to him and told him to move on. So I don't know. Another fella said, well, look at the place, there's no one here. No one said anything to him, and he's been here more than 48, so I just leave it up to you, eh? So this is always a really awesome feature for me when I stay at rest stops for free, is a dump point right here. So it's got a dump point. So a really awesome feature that is a must for me at a rest stop. They should all have these. Is this is the toilet block. This is the woman's, but have a look in here. Hey, look at all the tiling. Beautiful, mate. Right. Just nice. It says, it's not hard to have an attitude of gratitude, and it certainly is not. Especially when you've got one of these. Woohoo! It's only a cold shower. So look at that. Is that super awesome or what? And they have a notice here because it is by donation to stay here the 48 hours. And they like the travellers staying overnight here requested to make a $2 per vehicle per night donation. And I think that's more than reasonable. And the donation box is right out here at the front. And mate, I'm so impressed with the whole joint, I'm willing to pay double. So there's Rifle Creek right there behind me. See down the bank there? Yeah, let me show ya. So yeah, nah. I heard that the locals swim in Rifle Creek and they let their children have a splash around down in there. But yeah, nah, not for me. Nah, I'm a little bit weary up in these ways about the water spots, and that looks too murky. Yeah, it looks proper wet, crock wet. So there's these water taps, and they're all over. There's water taps and bins and picnic areas all the way around the Rifle Creek rest stop. But it's all untreated water, so which means it's just boil water. So you're just best off boiling it before you use it. So yeah, that's the Rifle Creek rest stop. So the Rifle Creek rest stop is right on the Mulligan Highway, and this is the bridge here, the one-way bridge, and it can get fairly noisy. You know, the truck's slowing down this side. This is the side you have to give way on. So, hence why I've parked right over the other side. Here for thinking, right down there for transit. So this is the Parsons Bridge. Picnic area only, no camping allowed. Rest area and camping at Rifle Creek. It's only 4.2 kilometres down the road towards Mariba. But this is beautiful country. This is a beautiful drive on the way to Mossman. So let's go have a look at this rest stop. So this is the Parsons Bridge rest stop, right? And it's right on the Mulligan Highway on the way to Mossman, just 4 kilometres down the road towards Mossman from the Rifle Creek rest stop. But this is nice. I'd swim in this one. I'd swim here. And I think it's the same weather. I'm just particular. But you can see in here. You can proper see everything. And the water looks nice and clear and cold and clear. So, yeah, this is the rest stop here. And it's beautiful. Hey, look at this. This is alright. But it's just a picnic area, right? Just a picnic area. And it's got a little picnic area there behind me. Little cement one. Right, that's alright, isn't it? It looks like there used to be a bin here. There's no bin here no more. And I reckon, there used to be like a barbecue here too by the looks you see. But I reckon maybe in peak season they'd worry about you staying overnight here, but I can't imagine they'd be worried. There's no one here. Oh, this looks a bit dangerous down here though, doesn't it? No, I wouldn't swim here. No. It even looks a bit spooky, doesn't it? It looks a bit spooky to me. But it's beautiful country, mate. It's like beautiful country here. Yeah. Very nice. And there's a sign. There's a toilet here. Right? Let's have a look. So it's got water. And it's got this toilet, and I like it. It's a bit fancy, isn't it? Hey, look at that. Nice and clean. Hey, got a nice flushing toilet here. Hey, nice. And it's round. It's got everything. And it's beautiful country. And then at the back, there's some nice sneaky spots behind here. No one would see you camping here at night. Hey? Just come off the road here. Lots of nice sneaky spots behind here. Beautiful. Just nice. I like it a lot. So I'm about 14 kilometres out from Mossman, and I'm coming down the range in my van, and it's a beautiful, beautiful drive with beautiful country all around, and then there's this view here. Hey, look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh, we've got a beautiful country, Australia, aren't we? There's the ocean, and there's the mountains. There's the rainforest, and there's the ocean. So it's the Main Roads Department, Douglas Shire, Mareeba Shire, Mossman, Mount Malloy Road. This plaque commemorates the completion of bitumen sealed of the Rex Range section, officially opened by the Honourable Man of the local government, 4th of November 1982. And what a great road it is. And it was a great road. Thank you for watching the video. I had lots of fun making it. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, I hope you're living a wonderful and blessed life. And hey, stay beautiful.